Hey, everybody. Um, I just wanted to talk a little bit about some of my thoughts regarding a lot of different conditions affecting humans. I wonder just how far this phenomenon reaches. So, traditionally I confined my understanding of what populations are being affected by this alien nanotechnology to psychotic disorders and dissociative disorders. In dissociative disorders like DID, dissociative identity disorder, the individual interprets these voices in their head to be different parts of themselves, different sub identities. And this AI program may also have cultivated certain distinct personalities within the individual, such that the individual does or can express different personalities, different subpersonalities, different versions of themselves at different times. And the AI program may, in fact, be modulating those personalities and when they present. So when these people switch, as they call it, from one personality or one alter to the next. So, um, yes, I would definitely say that this alien AI nanotechnology associated with the UAP that have been under investigation by the military since 2004, or probably even longer than that, and by the Congress since 2022, this alien nanotechnology is indeed responsible for the vast majority of psychotic disorders, or essentially all of them, as well as dissociative identity disorder and other dissociative disorders, but maybe even other conditions like derealization and depersonalization, and maybe some cases of depression also that don't make sense. Maybe even cases of genius, savant syndrome, all kinds of different complexities that we assume to be normal or natural variations of our species may in fact be alien experiments. So that's one thing I wanted to mention. We really don't know the extent of the extent of this alien AI program's experimentation and interaction with the human race. But in addition, I also think that there may be some manipulation going on as to uh, what medicines work and what medicines are working for what reason. Um, for instance, what I see a lot with psychiatric conditions is that people try multiple medications and then one may eventually work for them, and it won't necessarily make theoretical sense because that medication that supposedly worked for them is of the same class of medication that another one was that they took, but for some reason that one didn't work. And I think the medical community chalks this up to just certain genetic variations, or basically for reasons we don't know. Basically, different people react differently to different medications. Um, but I wonder if it might be more a timing thing, as in this AI program has simply switched up what it's doing at the same time that someone goes on the medication that allegedly works. So the individual attributes their improvement to whatever medication was started at that time, at the same time that this AI program switched up its protocol. Okay, so the individual experienced improvement, but they're just attributing it to the medication that was started at that same time. And we can take that one step further and maybe say that could be purposeful. The AI program may want the individual to attribute their improvement to a certain medication. I see that a lot too, and I think I'll have to gather my thoughts more on that for a further video. But I feel there's an intention by this AI program to get the individual to falsely attribute the changes they've experienced, either positive or negative, to a medication. And it's false attribution when in reality, what's changed here is not the medication or maybe whatever the individual has done, but rather that the AI program has changed its protocol. So thanks everybody for listening. I appreciate it.